Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix and solve Windows installer package problem. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click regedit, run as administrator. Pick HKey classes root. msi.package. Right-click shell. New key. Type run as. Right-click default, modify. Install space as space and symbol administrator. Right-click run as. New key. Name as command. Right-click default, modify. Change value day to is MSI exec. \I. Double quotes %1 double quotes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.